Before you're heading into the backcountry of the Eastern Sierra, there's just one rule you can't ignore: acclimate. Up here, the air gets thin, fast. Before tomorrow's backcountry brookies trek, which will take me to an elevation of about 10,500 feet, I'm giving my body a full day to adjust at around 9,000 feet. And when the wind's howling and you just can't get on the lake, what better way to spend the day acclimating than chasing wild trout in cold mountain creeks? So get in on this latest episode of Tailwaters.
Well, it's blowing pretty good out, so I think I'm going to call an audible and come down here and fish this little pond area, part of the creek. I'm going to put the fly rod away until the wind blows down and throw some jigs. See if we can't pull a brown out of here or a rainbow. Let's see what happens. It's a beautiful bluebird day. This wind's blowing pretty good. Let's get the waders on, see what happens. Well, we're all rigged up. Gonna throw some jigs, some spinners, and do a little sight fishing here, see if we can find some trout. And hopefully this breeze will die down. And then we can bust out the fly, maybe get back up on a lake or something. There's a fish right there. All right. So I got my 8-foot Akuma Salilo here, my 30 series Akuma reel. I'm gonna go with a little hookup bait. Got some 4-pound test on here, and let's see what happens. Try and stay out of their sight. Looking for some deep pools where the water's a little deeper. Let's see if we can get some chasers here. A little deeper right through here. This pool's a good, 3 feet deep, 4 feet deep right through here. It's windy, and you know, that wind might work in my favor today. Maybe it'll camouflage me a little bit. I think we just had a follower. Let's get back. So we got some good camouflage here. We can get deep into this little creek area. Might be hiding out in here. All right, you can probably tell by the color of this water where it's shallow and where it gets deeper out in there. So I'm gonna work my way into some deeper water. So I saw a few fish rise here in these reeds, and I had one follower kind of back in that creek area, but no takers. So let's get into some deeper water and keep trying these spinners. Then we'll get into some jigs, maybe a marabou jig, and maybe some swim bait jigs, some slammers as well. But you can tell the difference of the color of the water, how it gets deeper, so we may have better luck in that deeper water. Let's go check it out. go. Oh, doggone it. Came off. I thought I felt a little bump. Looked like a brownie. Didn't really set the hook very well. Let's go back over there. Spit it? No? Yeah, you did. Good job. Good job. Look at you. Oh, you're pretty. Let's go.
Freeze it. Holy cow. Are you kidding me? While I was editing this video, this is what I saw. All of these brook trout just hanging around the bottom. Now, I only fished this creek for a couple hours before moving on, but needless to say, I gotta go back. Let's continue.
I'm literally kneeling in this creek, trying to get a jig out in front of them, see if somebody will take it. I'm looking at it.
Hey friends, if you're enjoying Tailwaters, including today's episode, give us a like, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel, turn on those alerts, all that good stuff. We appreciate it. And don't forget, you can also engage with me and Tailwaters on Instagram and TikTok. So get in.
So I threw that jig. I got my gator on my face, so, and they all kind of spooked. Ooh, there we go. There we go. All but one. There we go. Get you in the sunlight a little bit. Oh, you are pretty. Look at that. Look at those colors. Hang on, we'll get you back in the water. Chill out. You are pretty. The reason why we got on that fish is because I'm kneeling in here, and I was able to cast up above it and then bring that jig right through that area under those reeds and stuff, and that brush pile where they're kind of hanging out. So they hit it. So got to be stealth out here. This is so cool because we're really getting a chance, hello there, to see where trout like to live. And boy, is this some great structure. There's two big tails flapping back and forth right there. I'm gonna see if I can drop this jig, if we can pull one out of there. Let's see what happens. Well, I enjoyed sharing this one with you. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Like I said, you got to be flexible. You got to be flexible. So keep throwing those lines, whether it's a fly line, whether it's a mono or some fluoro. Get on the spinners, get on the jigs. Have a good time. That's what it's all about. And just look at this. I mean, nobody's out here except my little chipmunk friend. So just a beautiful day. All right, get out there. Hope you enjoy yourself. Get on the water, get on the trail. Got some really fun episodes coming up. Gonna get up in the backcountry tomorrow, so that's gonna be a separate episode. Looking forward to that. Hopefully I won't get blown out. There's no snow. I'm crossing my fingers. It has been snowing, but I think the snow level is gonna be okay. So we're probably gonna be up around close to 10,000 feet tomorrow. All right, so hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed bringing it to you. Remember, best stories are the ones we share. Let's keep on sharing.